Hello, beautiful and amazing Pathfinders. It's Frida here again, and I welcome you all to another video, fam. How are you all doing? Thank you all so much for clicking on today's video, and a special thank you for always watching, sharing, liking, and commenting on my videos. I really do appreciate every one of you, honestly. Yes, as you can see, I'm super duper excited because it is all about amebo. Yes, in today's video, I just want to do a little amebo. Yeah, I just received a package, okay? And this package is for some of my clients that placed their order for Mary Kay. Auntie, you have not placed order for years. What are you waiting for? Eh? Or for you that is still contemplating, when am I going to start Mary Kay business? Do I just start now? Do I call her that I'm interested in selling this product? Don't waste any time more, okay? Just call me, all right? Go to Facebook, like as I told you before. If you're watching from YouTube, go over to Facebook, right? Type Frida's Path, and on Messenger, just send me a message and I'll be there to answer you. Let's do business together. Yes, in today's video, I am going to be unboxing this package. Gracias. Vale, gracias. I just received my Mary Kay package. I want to say this package is not from Nigeria and it is not from Africa. And I want to quickly drum this again. Mary Kay is an American product, all right? It is not a Nigerian product, neither is it an African product. All right, so for those of you that are coming with different tubes and different colors, saying place this order for me, I don't think you got that Mary Kay, all right, from these countries that are eligible to sell Mary Kay, okay? Do well to buy from the original source, okay? Don't worry, I am here, all right, as one of their beauty consultants to tell you your skin type, to tell you your skin color. So do not go for the fake one at all. So let's not waste much time. Let's dive right into this amebo, this unboxing. I'm going to be showing you what they placed. Here you go. Ha ha. This is our package. We are going to be opening it right now to see what we've got. Oh my goodness. Fam, please help me to say thank you to those that are patronizing me, those that are buying Mary Kay from me. Please help me to say thank you to them in the comment section. May God bless them and replenish their pockets, and may God bless you too for helping me to say thank you to them, and may God replenish your pocket as well. Please do not hesitate to buy from your sister, okay? These are foundations of different shades and skin types. Beautiful shades, honestly. And this one is a lip gloss. It serves as a lipstick as well. Vibrant red. It's so beautiful. This red is irresistible, honestly. Yep. Here we've got under eye concealer. They are anti-aging under eye concealer. They are so beautiful. And this one is for acne. Yes, facial wash, and the mask is also there. She placed the order along with the mask. It's so nice for acne. It clears and purifies your face. And this very one is anti-aging facial wash, the one I spoke about in my previous video. And this very one is the loose powder. Oh my goodness. This loose powder reminds me of banana powder. It's so beautiful. So smooth. It gives your face that flawless look, honestly. Yeah, this is basically all we've got in this package. Thank you all so much for watching up to this point. Please do not forget, as usual, to share to your friends and family. You never can tell if someone is out there looking for a place to buy Mary Kay. You never can tell the person that will be interested all right, to deal on Mary Kay products. All right, let's do this business together. Stop contemplating. All right, do I start or I should wait? Do I use the product or I should wait? No, it is a very nice product and it is a very lucrative business as well. All right, God bless you all. Thank you all so much, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.